welcome to my channel Tanya Talks. So today I really want to talk about a topic that not everyone's really comfortable with, and I do not understand the reason behind it. So today we'll be discussing about the shame, the awkwardness that comes along with women's innerwears or women's undergarments, right? So I know that this is a society that we all grew up in, where it's always been an awkward moment where if a woman's innerwears are kept here and there, it shouldn't be visible, and we couldn't talk about it. We hide it and then we take it to the washroom as well, so that nobody sees it. I don't understand. It's a piece of clothing. Everyone knows that every woman has to wear it, right? It's pretty obvious, but you can't even take the name, right? Even saying a word that is a bra, why is it such a big deal? I don't really get it. And as soon as you grow up, you start questioning a lot of things which doesn't really make any sense to you. So this is something which doesn't really make any sense to me. So I've seen this when you talk about especially the Indian uncles and all of that. They are super comfortable, dude. They are like roaming here and there only in their innerwears, and that's completely okay. They are not awkward, and they can make other women awkward by just roaming in their innerwears, or by just like putting a towel around them. That is okay. But even if some people want to like dry their innerwears outside, then it's a thing of shame. It's so awkward that even if we want to dry our clothes or innerwears outside, we try to hide them in between the big clothes and stuff like that. This is so dumb and this is so annoying, literally, that just because it's a woman's undergarment, we have to think so much about it, right? And this is one of the reasons that most of the women, especially in India, of course, they do not even know the exact correct size of their bra, right? Because they don't talk about it. So even if they go to buy the innerwears, to a shop, and of course, like most of the men are there, they are awkward to ask, okay, about the correct size of the bra, and they will be okay with the discomfort that they are having, but they wouldn't talk openly about it, about different cup sizes, about, different materials of the innerwears. But, that's the most important thing. You are wearing it all day long. Firstly, it's so difficult, okay? But we are doing that, and still we cannot even talk about it. Why? Because it's awkward. It's awkward for men who are not even wearing a bra. But it's completely okay to hide it. It's completely okay to be awkward about it. What kind of double standards are this? I just don't understand, and it pisses me off. Like, literally, it pisses me off that, men, they can just roam around in whatever they want. I'm not saying that women should roam around or whatever, and even if they want to, they can, right? Anyway, the point over here is that even for like, if you want to dry your clothes outside, you have to think so many times that, oh my god, how can I dry my innerwears over here? Why can't you? It's just a piece of clothing. Why to make it such a big deal that you shouldn't be talking about it? You cannot go and shop properly for the lingerie. You cannot dry it off. Each and everything. It's just so shitty, and it's so annoying that as soon as I grew up, I start questioning these things. How dumb can people be? Everyone knows that every woman wears a bra. Okay, of course there are different cup sizes. There are so many problems which are related to it. If you're not wearing a good bra, if you are not comfortable in your innerwears, there could be a hell lot of problems. But still, out of shame, we would prefer not talking about it. How dumb is that? And we are awkward to discuss a piece of clothing. Same thing happens with the sanitary napkins also. Same thing is happening with the bra also. How dumb is this? Men are completely okay. They can just roam around in their underwears, okay, making other women awkward, and that is completely okay, right? But we can't talk about it. We can't discuss it. We can't just put it off for drying also. Why? Because it's a bra. It's a woman's clothing, and we have to be like really careful about it. That's just stupid, right? So I know that it's there, right? Of course, there are certain things when you look at new advertisements, or you scroll your Instagram and stuff, so you see that things are changing. But honestly, just ask yourself, in every household and in different scenarios, still people have that awkwardness and people just try to hide it. I don't know why, right? So it's really important, as soon as you grow up and you realize that there are certain things which we are still following and they are senseless, it doesn't really make any sense, please question it and try to stop it. If it's rubbish and if it's like bullshit, please try to stop it, because it's very, very irritating. And if you want to see a change, of course you have to like start from your around, and you have to start the things from your home, right? So start talking about the things, start making them also understand, the older people, the older generation, that it's completely okay, there's nothing awkward about it, right? So yeah, this is something which I really wanted to rant about. This is something that pissed me off like anything, and that's what I did. So I hope that you could relate with me. If you did, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you would like to see such relatable content often, so yes, you can definitely subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much, and please take care of yourself, and please don't feel awkward. It's just a bra. Chill. Bye bye.